Hey guys, I'm here at Steadfast Farm in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to talk about using the JP5, the Jang JP5 that we sell here at Paper Pot Co. to seed loose leaf lettuce. Now, we don't talk a lot about loose leaf lettuce at Paper Pot Co. or even on my primary YouTube channel, mainly because most of us are using the Paper Pot system to plant Salanova lettuce, which has become more or less the predominant lettuce that a lot of market gardeners are using for a loose leaf lettuce. And there's many reasons for that, which we don't necessarily need to get into. But there are times and places to do a loose leaf lettuce. And some growers actually just do a loose leaf lettuce all the time. The main reason that would be is that they've got more of a mechanized harvesting system. Even on market gardens like this on a 30-inch bed, the advantage here is that you can use the quick cut greens harvester to harvest this lettuce, so that does make it significantly faster. However, the yields aren't quite as good as the Salanova, and the product, in my opinion, isn't quite as good either. Now, there are some varieties out there that might be really great, but you know, that's up to you to kind of figure out what those are. This variety here, this is the Ovation mix from Johnny's. There's two there. I think there's the Nova and Ovation. One of them is certified organic and the other's not. I think that's the primary difference. But basically what we've got in this mix is there's some sort of romaine types, there's some oak leaf types. That's more or less what it is. It's just a mix of lettuce seed that all have the same DTM. A challenge, and I used to do this kind of lettuce exclusively, but a challenge with doing this kind of lettuce where you've got a mix in the bed is if you're growing varieties that have varying DTMs anywhere 3 days or more, it really gives you a weird, inconsistent growth. So you really, if you're going to mix these yourself, you really want to make sure that all of them have a similar DTM. And when I used to do a mix like this, I was using varieties like Tango, a red leaf, oak leaf. I actually got all those varieties from William Dam in Canada, so for you guys in the US they might be different, but you could just buy these mixes as well, and that would probably make it easier for you. So specifically here, Eric is using the JP5 and he's using the X24, and his gear ratio is the 14 on the front and 9 on the back, and 2 passes, 10 rows, fairly easy. The reason that Eric is doing this right now here at Steadfast and not Salanova is they've had this kind of weird winter. It's cold down here. I mean, it's warm enough for me. I'm a Canadian. I'm used to colder weather. It's warm enough for me to wear a t-shirt. Most people I'm seeing around Arizona right down here are wearing jackets and toques. I got my toque on, but I'm in the sun, so I'm warm. But they've had a really cold winter here. In fact, when I flew in, this is, as I record this, we are late February in 2019, and the whole state of Arizona is blanketed in snow except for the Phoenix area. So it's been an abnormally cold winter, and you can feel the cold wind blowing in from the north. It's cold, and so the reason they're doing this opposed to Salanova is this seed mix grows a lot faster than Salanova. Salanova is almost a 60-day, actually this time of year, Salanova is really a 60-day turnaround. 30 days, maybe a little bit less than 30 days in the nursery, and then the rest of that time in the field till your first cut. But a loose leaf lettuce like this is got about a 30-day turnaround even at this time of year, so it's quicker, and so that's partly why they have switched. Now you can see they do have some Salanova in the field. It doesn't seem to be doing as well as this. So this is one of these things that they have in the toolkit for adaptability when times are, when the growing climate and the circumstances are less than ideal. It's a toolkit to employ to keep your production going on time, and that's what they've done. And so all of their loose leaf lettuce right now, or at least most of it, is these mixes. And so that's what they've done. So 10 rows, X24 with the 14 on the front and the 9 on the back. That's what they're doing for all of their, that's the gear ratio that they're doing for all of their loose leaf greens here at Steadfast. But I wanted to just talk specifically about the lettuce here, and that's what they're using. Hope you guys found that helpful. Subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with new videos that we put out here at Paper Pot Co. All right, talk to you later.